In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. The International Faculty for Teaching Quran and Islamic Studies presents Arabic Language, Conversation and Translation. Dr. Mahmoud Musa.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين، وأفضل الصلاة وأتم التسليم على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم علمنا ما ينفعنا وانفعنا بما علمتنا وزدنا إيمانا وعلما وعملا بالدين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. Today we are going to talk about the Arabic alphabet. There are 28 letters in the Arabic alphabet. We are going to know in details how to write them, how to pronounce them, how to join them to form words, and how to read them. The first letter in the Arabic alphabet is Alif. Alif usually has Hamza over it or Hamza under it, or usually it has no Hamza. Like other letters, it is affected by something called Dhamma, so we pronounce it U, or Kasra, we call it E, or sometimes Fatha, we say A. So U, E, A. These are the main three: Dhamma, Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, and Fatha. Sometimes Alif has nothing. If you want to give examples about Alif and how to join it with other letters, for example, we have Ahmed. Ahmed is a name of a man. Ahmed. We can see that Alif comes at the beginning of the word. In the middle we have an example like Bab. Bab means door. We can see how Alif joined Ba. So Alif comes in the middle of the word. We can join Alif with the letter before, but we can't join it with the letter after. An example of Alif at the end of the word is Marhaba. We can see Alif at the end, it joined Ba. Marhaba means hello. This is the first letter in Arabic alphabet. It is Alif. The second letter in the Arabic alphabet is called Ba. Ba. Ba also is affected by Dhamma, Kasra, Fatha. So we say Bu for Dhamma, B for Kasra, Ba for Fatha. So each letter in Arabic, in any word, should have Dhamma, Fatha, or Kasra, or something else. We will see it later. Ba, like other letters, comes at the beginning of the word, the middle, or at the end. And in each way, it is written in a certain way. An example of Ba in the middle of the word, or at the beginning of the word, is Bayt. Bayt. We can see here Ba, Fatha, Ba, Ba. We can see how we joined Ba with Ya. An example of ba in the middle is Habib. 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 You can see how ba comes in the middle after ha before ya. So it has two hands. It is bi, Habib. And we can see also ba at the end. It comes after ya. Habib. Habib means lover. Another example of ba at the end, like bab. Bab. You can see ba at the end. It comes after alif. Alif can't be joined after. So there is a separation between alif and ba. Bab. Bab. Bayt means home. Habib, lover. Bab, door. This is the second letter in the Arabic alphabet. The third letter in Arabic alphabet is ta. 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 In the same way, we have dhamma over it. So we say tu, tu, tu. Kasra under, ti. Fatha over, ta, tu, ti, ta. Ta is similar in writing. It is similar to ba. So if we want to give examples of ta at the beginning of the word, you can see teen. Teen. Ta here has kasra, so we say teen. It comes before ya. Teen. Teen means fig. In the middle of the word we have an example like muftah. Muftah. We can see here ta comes in the middle after fa before alif. Muftah. Muftah. It has fatha. Muftah. Muftah means key. Ta in the middle of the word like bayt, or at the end of the word bayt. Bayt. I've seen it before. Bayt. So we can see ta after ya. Bayt means home. This is the third letter in the Arabic alphabet, ta. The fourth letter is tha. 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 The same way of writing. Tha. Tha. When we have dhamma, it is thu. 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 Kasra. Thi. Fatha. Tha. Thu. Thi. Tha. Tha, like thawra at the beginning of the word. Thawra. You can see fatha, tha, thawra means revolution. You can see tha before wow. Thawra. In the middle we have mithal. 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 Tha has fatha. Mithal means example. We can see how tha comes after mim and before alif. Mithal. At the end we have ghayth. Ghayth. You can see tha comes after ya at the end of the word. Ghayth. Ghayth means rain. Tha is the fourth letter in the Arabic alphabet. So far we know that ba ta and tha are similar in writing. The main difference is the dot under in ba, 2 dots on ta, 3 dots on tha. So they are different, they are similar in writing them in the words. The main difference is, as we said, 1 point under ba, 2 over ta, 3 over tha. The next letter is Jim. Jim has dot under. It is Ju with Dhamma, Ji with Kasra, Ja with Fatha. An example of Jim at the beginning of the word is Jism. Jism. Jim has Kasra. Jism means body. An example of Jim when it comes in the middle of the word, like Hajar. Hajar. Jim has Fatha. Hajar. Hajar. Hajar means stone. When Jim comes at the end of the word, like Hajj. Hajj. Jim comes after Ha. Pilgrimage. The next letter is Ha. Ha. With Dhamma it is Hu. With Kasra it is He. With Fatha it is Ha. Ha is a difficult letter to be pronounced. It is different from Ha. Ha. It is Ha. Ha. When it comes in the middle of the word or at the beginning of the word, it is like Himar. 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 You can see how Hi has Kasra. Himar means donkey. Hi. When it comes at the middle, like Bahr. 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 You can see Ha in the middle. It comes after Ba, before Ra. Now we can see how Ha has Sukoon. It is different from Dhamma, Kasra, Fatha. Sukoon. When the letter has Sukoon, like Ha, it becomes Bahr. Bahr means sea. At the end, we have Farah. Farah. Usually we stop at the end of the word by Sukoon. So we say Farah. Farah. So Ha comes after Ra. Ra, we will see it can't be joined with the letter after. Farah means happiness. Happiness. The next letter is Kha. Kha. The similar way of writing, but we have dot over. With Dhamma, it is Khu. Khu. With Kasra, it is Khi. Khi. With Fatha, Kha. Khu. Khi. Kha. It is also not easy to be pronounced. An example of kha at the beginning of the word is khubz. Khubz. Khubz means bread. We can see kha with dhamma. Khu, khu, khubz, khubz. In the middle, we can see makhfar. Makhfar. Makhfar means police station. We can see how kha has sukoon. So we say makhfar. Makhfar. It comes after mim and before fa. Makhfar. Makhfar. An example of kha at the end of the word is khawkh. Khawkh. You can see kha at the end of the word after waw. Kha. Khawkh. Khawkh means a kind of fruit, peach. So we notice also that we have kha. We have kha at the beginning. Kha. Khawkh. We stop on kha at the end. Khawkh. Khawkh. So far we can say that all the last three letters are similar in writing. The main difference is in the number of dots. Jim has one dot under. Ha has no dots. Kha has one over. Jim, ha, kha.